The job of the Indian Medical Council should be to point out the lacuna and to get the improvements affected, and for that purpose the Mudaliar Committee has suggested the appointment of a quinquennial commission to go into the question of medical education as a whole stop. The Mudaliar Committee has also commented upon the manner in which the inspectors of medical council are appointed stop. They have suggested that the inspecting body should consist of educationists representing the Union Ministry of Health, representative of the university concerned, and 3 experts nominated by the medical council stop. They have said that the persons so chosen should be of at least 10 years standing stop. They want that senior persons should go for inspection, and they want that the term of the inspectors should be between 3 to 5 years, so that there is uniformity in inspection in the manner in which the institutions are to be upgraded, how they are to be improved upon, etc. Next stanza. The last one deals with medical ethics stop. As far as that part is concerned, I would like to say that it is the medical profession itself which can maintain ethical standards which are going down or which have gone down stop. In such matters, the Indian Medical Association should be taken into confidence by the ministry as well as the medical council, because the maintenance of medical ethics is necessary if we want the noble profession to be called noble and not to be commercialized stop. The relationship between doctor and doctor, the relationship between doctor and consultant, and the relationship between consultant and consultant has been a matter which has been there from ages as a convention stop. Unfortunately, in our country, healthy conventions have not taken deep roots, and we hear of and on complaints which are justified and legitimate stop. One of the worst complaints is that the registered medical practitioners are issuing certificates which are not warranted by the reasons for which they are issued, I mean they are either false or are given on false pretenses stop. The other place where medical ethics should be enforced is in the matter of medical examination of persons who are prospers for insurance policies stop. Sometimes, there are other reasons why a certain doctor gets all the cases while another doctor who is strict and who conducts the examination according to the procedure laid down is not able to get those prospers full